Noun, numbers. Singular, noun. When a noun refers to only thing or person, it is said to be singular. For example, one brush, one cow. Plural noun. When a noun refers to more than one thing or person of the same kind, it is said to be plural. For example, two cows, two brushes, singular to plural. Given below are some of the ways in which the number of a noun may be changed from the singular to the plural. Usually, the plural is formed by adding s to the singular. Tree, trees. When the noun ends in y, and there is no vowel a, e, I, o, u before the y, the plural is formed by dropping the y and adding I, es. Story, stories. In the case of nouns ending in c, h, sh, s, ss, or x, the plural is formed by adding e, s to singular. Church, churches. If the vowel before the y, the plural is formed by simply adding s to singular. Tray, trays. In the case of some nouns ending in f or fe, we drop the f or fe and add ves. Thief, thieves. Some nouns ending in f from the plural with the help of s. Roof, roofs. Some nouns ending in f have two plural forms, one formed by dropping the f and adding ves, the other by simply adding s. Dwarf, dwarves. Dwarfs, some nouns ending in o from the plural with the help of s. Photo, photos. In the case of some nouns ending in o, the plural is formed by adding es to singular. Potato, potatoes. Some nouns ending in o have two plural forms. Cargo, cargoes. Cargoes.